my street. After 13 years. Shut up. Where? Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, wait, that's not the road. Here's the road there. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna walk because I know this is the road. I hope Darren's okay. Okay, here's the road. Let's get deeper. Shit balls. This is my house. Apparently, it's gone down about 8 feet. Oh my God! Look at there. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is our fucking street. I'm glad he put those things up. All right, that's our backyard. Yeah, it took the pot, but the blue pea vine's still there. That's hilarious. Holy shit, dude. Where did all this come from? Did the windows blow out? No? I'm coming. That's a bird. Oh, he's a dead bird. Oh, gross.
Yeah.
Gross. Fucking nasty. I know.
It looks like that in here.
All right, hold that. You gotta turn it off. It's on.